Alright, tonight what we're going to do is work on the RV. It's a 1976 GMC Motor Home. So the engine is right under here. So you have a step and the engine. So you actually sit on top of the engine. So I got to take this carpet and roll it up. Roll that carpet up, and there's some heat shield here, right? And I got to pull this thing up. So let me put this on a stand. Alright. I have a light plugged in right here. I need something to stop this from rolling around. So I'm getting a little bungee cord, and I'm wrapping it around this rolled up carpet. All right. So I got the carpet rolled up out of the way. Hopefully it stays out of the way. What I'm gonna do today is I got all these parts, but got a new cap and rotor. I'm gonna do a compression test. Spark plug wires and spark plugs. I'm going to try these here. XR 45s. So I got a whole bunch of other parts that I'm not doing right now. So I'm going to take care of this stuff first. So when I take the spark, I figured I'll do a compression test. Since I'm taking the spark plugs out. So tester there, plugs, cap and rotor, a gray cap, not that you'll see it, and spark plug wires. I don't know why this just shut off. Okay, so air cleaner. I bought a new air cleaner too, and breather and all this kind of stuff, because you'll see there's no filter there. There's supposed to be one. This air filter is okay, but I was gonna do one. So take this out of the way. Air cleaner. Might as well fix this. This right here is the cruise control. It's supposed to be this rod. It's supposed to be through. This rod's supposed to be through. So let's see. Put it off over here. Push the balls through the rod. It goes there. This, I'm assuming, goes under here. Here. Connects up to this vacuum ball. Okay. And this, snap back on the carburetor. Okay. All right. going to pull this battery wire off. So pull this battery wire off. Where's the screwdriver? Oh my gosh. Go. What the hell? Wires. So the other one off. Because what I'm gonna do is when I go to check the compression, I don't want it to start. So pull these wires off and it won't start. Okay. This will just start right here. Start it. This is number 1. It's kind of strange because I'm working it from the back of the engine instead of usually you're working at the front of the engine. I'm looking at it, so now I'm looking at the back. It's odd. All right, came off pretty easy. I'm taking a new plug out. Let's see what size socket I need. 13/16 is what it looks like. Oh, hey. All right. Oh, it's, wow, kind of very loose. I barely had to touch it. Let's see what plug is in there. AC Delco R46SZ. I'm gonna have to go get the gapper. Yeah, there's one. Now, let's take this. See if this will go right in there. Looks like it might. Already has some oil on it. I have to go back in and get the spark plug gapper. Alright, turn all this stuff off. That's the air pump going. Alright, let's crank it and see what we got. Yeah. So this is 11357. So 3 was about like 120. 1 let's see. Maybe 90. All right, cylinder 1 has, I'm going to say 90, and number 3, 120. I'm going to put new spark plugs in. I just checked, supposed to gap them at 40. Wow, this thing's at like 55. $40. Alright, I'm just going to gap the rest of them too. Not a problem. I'm trying to get this spark plug here. Trying to get this one, and this is the transmission dipstick. It keeps getting in the way. I'm trying to put this. Ugh, I just put it in dirt. Great. Try to get this thing in there. Problem is that I'm finding is I can't see in there. At least like when working on other cars, I could see. I can see the holes and I can see what I'm doing. This is, I can't see anything. $120, I'm gonna say. So number 5, 120. So I don't know what it's supposed to be at. I looked it up later. But this one was at about 120 also. So number 7, 120. Let's go to this side. Alright, number 8 right here was at 120 PSI. Okay. It's number 6. $120. Okay. Now we're on number 4. I'm going to go 120 on that one. Uh-oh. Something bad happened. I broke the spark plug. I broke the spark plug. It's still in there. All right. Oh yeah, I broke that one right off. But it's just rusty. Okay. Last one. $120. So only number one was different, which was 90. So I don't know how many miles are on this motor. So I'm going to say that's pretty good. And without breaking it. There's 4 screws here. I undid all the 4. There's my cap. Alright. Oh, I gotta take the coil off. Shoot. So, take this little thing here, put it in there. Then you take the washer, rubber washer, put it on there. I gotta get this coil off. There's some wear right here. It's not really bad. Ooh, this looks nasty inside here. Look at that. A lot of rust. Alright, so this is number 1, right? So here's the new wires, here's the old wire. So I'm going to take the old wire and let's see which one it matches up to. And here's the old one. It looks like it's probably this one. There. So that's the one. And you just keep doing that for all 8. So that one's garbage. Here's this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some grease in there. Dielectric grease. Now they give you one. They give you one thing of grease for 8 wires. That's not good. Alright, so I got the old cap still here, and I took it off that one. So now I take it and I put it on this one. And then I'm just gonna go like this on here. Gotta make sure I put it on there and it clicks. Alright, one, let's do number 3. I'm gonna do this. So I know I did that one. So this one is here. Trying to get this coil out. New plugs, new wires, new compression test, new cap rotor. Let's see if it starts up. Up gas. Oh, duh. I forgot to hook these wires back up. So this one goes here. This one goes there. Yes, that's it. Now let's see if it starts up. Very important to have those wires hooked up. Ready? Running worse than ever. So I didn't break it. It starts up. So now I'm just gonna put. I need to do add belts. I got belts, all kinds of other stuff in here. Valve cover gas because the valve covers are leaking like crazy. But I think what I'm gonna do. Put the air cleaner back on. New air cleaner. I'm using this A21 or A212 CW. All right, that goes there. Oh, this is supposed to go into here somehow. New breather, probably never been changed. Oh yeah, it's got all crap inside of it. I didn't get this elbow. I didn't think about this elbow. I'm sure this is not going to work. Oh, got it in. And this goes on here. Okay. And I don't know how this is supposed to work. This goes in here. I need some kind of rubber hose there. Anyway, this. I am done for tonight. Alright, well, that's it. Now I'm just going to take that wood and put it here just to cover this up because I don't want to leave a hole. Alright, well, that's it for the tune-up on the 76 GMC Motor Home with the Oldsmobile 455. There's more to come. I still have to put some belts on it, valve cover gaskets, here and there. I got to do a little more stuff, but I'm going to be taping it, I'm going to be videoing it, and I will show it to you guys. Remember to like and subscribe and put the notifications on. This way when there's a new video, you'll get it. Thanks very much. Take it easy. Thanks for watching KG's Garage.